the bad sensor, Marcus said, goes, Robert, just leave it. I said, okay, I'm going to leave it alone.
Yeah, I got this one on number 2 to tighten.
All right, well, the sensor was messed up and it was giving you door light. So we had to put it in bypass until I found out. So, oh man, it's got to be the sensor. I cut it out. We were still moving, and it worked beautifully. But we had the door cut out. So let me leave it cut out because I don't want any more problems. And then that door started getting stuck. The other one, I had to cut that side out completely. But then Marcus tightened up the screws a little bit, and I got that one door leaf to work. So, well, I wrote it up for them.
Almost got that guy at Summit yesterday, right?
How am I going to see in a rotor?
Huh?
How am I going to see in a rotor?
Oh, okay. He was sitting down. He was sitting down in the track, and I'm like, no way! I had to blow the horn. Like, I just blew the horn. That's all I could do. Yeah, that's all I could do. I couldn't put the brakes. Just blow the horn. He just moved. He just moved.
He was sitting in the gate?
Yeah, in the gate. And I didn't have the belt on purpose. But when I go through that turn, I kill the belt.
Yeah.
Because when you announce it, they know you're coming, so they stand right in the middle of the track.
Right, true. Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So I just put the belt right before I hit the crossing. I mean, it can work either way.
Oh, of course. Yeah.
Somebody like the one last night didn't hear the bell, but you feel the vibration. 79 miles an hour, you feel it.
Oh, you saying 79?